Sabi ni Hubby, ito daw yung pinaka nagustuhan niyang luto ng fried chicken na ginawa ko. This is crispy chicken teriyaki. But first, kailangan i-marinate natin yung chicken for about 30 minutes with these ingredients. While marinating, prepare na natin yung potato starch or cornstarch for coating. Mas crunchy nga lang pag potato starch yung ginamit natin. Then, in a medium-high heat, fry na natin yung breaded chicken natin until golden brown and crispy. Set aside, then patuluin natin yung oil while we're making the teriyaki sauce. In a pan, sautein natin yung grated ginger and garlic. Then, to make the teriyaki sauce, laging equal parts of soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Depende na lang kung gaano karami yung fried chicken na ginawa nyo. Yung ginamit ko is tig 3/4 cup ng soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Tapos, tikman nyo yung sauce. Sa akin, I wanted more sweetness kaya I added 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then, para malapot yung sauce, lagyan natin ng slurry until ma-reach yung desired thickness na gusto nyo. Then, it's a must sa chicken teriyaki ang sesame seeds for me. Then, pwede na natin ihalo yung fried chicken natin. Make sure na evenly coated with the sauce lahat. Medyo naparami lang yung sauce na ginawa ko, pero okay lang, masarap to i-topping sa rice. This is inspired nga pala nung crispy chicken teriyaki ng Kenji Tay. Naku, sobrang favorite ko yon. And this recipe of mine, pwedeng pwede.